Hi, my name is Sam, and in this series of videos of how to use your Canon DSLR T5i, I'm going to show you how to do a blurry background so your subject pops out and is separated from the background and you get that blurry background kind of an image. So there are two ways of doing it. One is a very quick way that I'm going to show you, and the other one is a traditional way, which is a more professional way of doing it, and they're both very, very simple to follow. So for doing that, I'm going to first do it on the creative auto mode. So you want to bring the dial over to the CA mode, and in this mode basically what you want to be doing is once you have your subject in view, you want to press the Q button, and on the Q button you want to make sure that flash is turned off, because in this mode what happens, the flash pops open and it just doesn't allow you to take pictures that you want to take. So once you have the Q button on, you use the cursor to bring it over to where it says flash firing, and then in the flash firing mode you turn the flash off, and once the flash is turned off, and you continue pressing the right cursor key until you come to background blurry. On the background blurry, you use the dial button and you turn it all the way to the left. So when it is all the way to the, you see it's moving right and left, so I'm going to turn it all the way to the left, and it allows me to take a picture with the flash turned off and the background is kind of blurry. The other method of doing that is putting it on the AV mode. And on the AV mode, it's rather simple. So what you're going to have to do is the numbers that appear on the bottom of the screen, as you see I'm turning the dial, that's your f-stop mode. For this particular camera with this particular lens, the lowest f-stop that you can get to is number 5. So I'm going to turn it all the way to the left till I get to, oh, actually it's letting me take it on 4.5. There are some other lenses that you can bring the f-stop to quite low numbers, as low as maybe 1.2, 1.5, depending on the lens that you're using. And the lower the f-stop number it is, and the further away the background is from the subject, the better background blurred picture that you can get, that your subject really stands out. So over here, we are going to look at our subject. We're going to zoom in, and you see as I zoom in, the number of the f-stop changes. Depending on the type of the zoom that you have, the f-stop number changes accordingly based on the type of the lens that you also use. So over here we are going to find our subject again, and we are going to zoom in. It is on f-stop 5, and we'll take our picture. And as you see, the background is quite blurred out. I hope you found the tips on this video quite useful. Please write your comment in the section below if you have any other questions. If it is not clear to you, we'll try to explain it to you by way of corresponding to your comments, or make a video to answer more questions. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, because when you subscribe, you can always be notified the next video that we are going to be releasing to show you more features of your Canon T5i, and there are other videos in our playlist that you can go ahead and watch. Thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and take that beautiful picture with a blurry background.